Stuart Wilson's excavation. We're here at Trelleck today, and this is Archaeology Company assisting the excavation, and we've got this little bit of the wall here that's been in previous videos, and we're just seeing if there's any way that it actually continues forward, but it looks like looks like it's curving actually, but there's no stone there. So if we sort of go around here, we can see this wall. It's been the pandemic and it's slightly become overgrown now, but it follows underneath this plank, underneath here, all the way to the end, and we're excavating here at the end now. So we've got the soil that we're travelling away at the back here, and hopefully we'll come here in the next few weeks, hopefully, and see if we can see a little bit more. So Stuart Wilson's excavations, Trelleck. This is KARL-JAMES LANGFORD of Archaeology Company, and thanks for joining me today. A little video, 27th of August, Friday.